Great. So who are we here with today? What's your name?
My name is Joyce.
Joyce.
Yeah.
Very nice to meet you.
Thank you. Thank you.
What are you up to? What are you doing at the moment?
Actually, I'm a choreographer.
Oh, you're a
Yeah,
choreographer.
I'm a professional dancer.
Good. That's amazing. Is there like an agency where or do you have your own?
No.
Studio.
Actually, I'm assisting many choreographers. So
Oh.
I don't have any actually classes over there, but I'm assisting someone.
Great.
Like in a Powai and all.
Powai area, like workshops.
Yeah, I do the workshops
Great.
also. I have a Bolly X sessions in my area. I stay in Vikhroli.
Oh, it's very, very close by.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Are you originally from Mumbai or
Yeah.
born and raised here?
Yes.
Very cool, very cool. So Joyce, what's your relationship status?
I am single.
Cool. I love the afterthought. Great. So Joyce, what advice would you give to guys that are struggling to make the first move? I'm sure there's guys in this mall who look at you who go like, you're pretty, but they don't have it in them to like approach you. So
Got it.
what would you tell them?
Actually, it's guys, don't make this complicated. It's actually very nice if you do a small gesture, like give a smile,
Right.
give a hi, hello, and a nice handshake. Girls move into that. If you like a stare in a creepy way, so girls will obviously not gonna make a move. Fall in love with you or feel like to talk with you. So I just
Correct.
say that keep it simple, nice, subtle, so that just a smile and a handshake and a nice talk.
Right.
That's a good move for first.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's some pretty good advice. Keep it
Keep it
original.
natural, keep it original. Don't try to be like a think of कि क्या करना है, what do I have to do,
Yeah.
क्या करूँ, should I compliment her, should I
sure.
flirt with her?
Should I
It's not a-
do a pickup line? Like,
No, that's actually cheesy.
I know.
I think so. From my point of view, that's actually very, very cheesy. Don't do
Right.
that.
No.
It feels like I don't want to talk to this guy.
Just be
Yeah.
upfront about the whole
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Love that. Joyce, what's your definition of an alpha man?
Alpha man.
According to you, who's an alpha man?
Who thinks that anyone could he can actually make a move and anyone could fall for him. So I actually don't want to talk about them, most of it.
Right,
Because
right.
if you think that many girls would be fall in love or you can just make up or move on with her, but I don't want that.
That's not your kind. But
not
they
a
exist.
kind.
Like alpha men exist. Like they can get whoever they want.
Yeah.
Okay.
They are,
But
they are.
but they are not your type. You don't like those kinds of men.
Absolutely not.
So what's your kind of a guy? Like who? Yeah. So my next follow up to that is, what are the 3 most important traits in a perfect partner, according to you?
Firstly, you should respect,
Be respectful.
be loyal.
Correct.
That's it. And give much care and love. That's it.
Correct.
I am very simple. I want a guy who is a very simple, has a very low, like a normal standard life. And I don't want that he should also be a high maintenance and not keeping me also. I am also a very moderate person. I am like an old school.
Correct. Old school
kind of a
love
girl.
kind of a
Yeah,
person.
yeah.
You're a little shy. You're a little reserved.
I'm being more comfortable with the person who I'm very like from the start I'm very introvert.
Correct.
But when I get to used to and all, and I'm just
Then
very
your crazy side
then
comes
I'm
out.
very crazy. Then you will say the toba. I don't want to talk with this girl.
Well, I would love to speak with any of your exes to understand what that side
They
of
will
you.
obviously say you are a crazy person.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, here's to that crazy side. Great. So, what's your dream location for a first date? It can be in Mumbai, it can be in any city or anywhere in the world, actually.
Location, I have not thought of it, but I'm a kind of a girl who is a very private person, so I would think about any kind of a beach or somewhere.
Okay.
Because I'm very shy. I'm very shy because I'm a publicly, I cannot even hold any person's hand. I'm very
Right.
shy kind of a guy.
Correct.
So I want like a private anything.
Something
Like a-
private, something
Correct.
cozy,
Cozy,
dim lit kind of a
Nobody Nobody's
space.
watching because I actually get very scared when someone is peeping around. So I don't like that.
That's natural. That's but natural. Great. All right. So, what's your definition of a high value woman? Who's a high value woman?
woman.
Yeah. What makes a good woman?
Good woman.
Good woman, high value woman. These are like
Don't judge anyone.
Right.
Like in a first meeting only.
correct.
So And apart from that, I don't actually have any answers to that.
Correct. Just someone who's pure, who's like not a liar, not a cheat.
Yeah. That's the same.
Amazing. All right, and then one last question before I let you go. What's one thing you wish guys understood about dating?
One thing a guy should be.
What's one thing that you wish guys understood about dating, like something that they don't quite understand, and you wish that they
Fine.
knew.
Actually, nowadays many guys feel like a type of old school love, जैसा मैंने कहा. So because I actually feel that in today's world there is no romance. There is no eye contact.
There's no eye contact.
There is not actually like what personally I feel like in the movies, if you see that any guy touches anyone's hand, their partner hands,
right,
they feel shy, they feel warm, they feel special. So, and I actually say there is no butterflies.
Yeah.
तो हाँ, ऐसे कुछ भी butterflies feel हो रहा है. He's very cute. ऐसा वो बोलते हैं कि no, it's a spark that is only in a starting phase of a relationship.
Correct.
I don't believe in that.
Correct.
If you both are in a love with each other, then it will not phase out. Even if in a 6-7 years,
the honeymoon phase will not phase out.
Yeah, it will not.
As long
phase
as you're
out.
in love with each other.
Yep.
So you wish guys knew that this phase can go on for longer than the first.
Yeah. You should treat a girl the way you were treating before you were
In a relationship with her.
no.
Correct.
Before you were trying to
get her.
to get her. Yeah.
Correct.
So like before starting in a relationship, whatever. So you should do the same thing after the many years. You can. It's not about an expensive gifts you can give. You can like talk with her, like a long talk and anything. Like you make yourself feel every time.
Correct.
So that's the most important thing I can say.
Love that. Well, Joyce, those are all the things I had for you.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for your time. Really
Thank you, sir.
appreciate
Thank you so much.
really appreciate you giving us these answers. All right. And